Nestled on nearly 2 private acres in the Estates at Parrot Mountain, this custom home offers a rare blend of luxury, space, and connection to nature. Just minutes from wine country, downtown Sherwood, shopping, and outdoor recreation. Surrounded by rolling countryside, the setting offers both privacy and convenience, with easy access to some of the area's most sought-after destinations. A gated approach and circular drive create a grand sense of arrival, while forested surroundings offer a peaceful, secluded backdrop. Inside, discover soaring 14-foot ceilings, expansive windows, and a dramatic floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace anchoring the main living space. Seamless indoor-outdoor living unfolds as you relax on the covered patio or enjoy the built-in kitchen, perfect for year-round entertaining. Back inside, the chef's kitchen is both refined and functional, featuring Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, double ovens, a prep sink, and an oversized island designed for gathering. A thoughtful layout and walk-in pantry make everyday living effortless. The main level also includes a private junior suite, ideal for guests or multi-generational living. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a true retreat, complete with a double-sided fireplace, private balcony, and a spa-inspired bath featuring a triple-head shower, jetted soaking tub for two, and a generous walk-in closet. The lower level provides flexible living space with its own entrance, offering endless possibilities for extended living, entertaining, or future expansion. Outdoors, the grounds are designed to be both beautiful and functional, with raised garden beds and direct access to private trails, creating a lifestyle that feels both elevated and connected. With smart home features, a whole house generator, and a setting that feels worlds away, yet close to everything, this is a home that truly stands apart, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.